amazing. Put a piece of garlic in this part of your body at night, and you will see what happens. The medicinal properties of garlic are undeniable. Since a long time ago, when the medicine had not made so important advances and still did not exist so many pharmaceutical drugs, this plant has been used like treatment to reduce the symptoms of several pathologies. Perhaps, for some people, putting a piece of garlic in your ear will be somewhat ridiculous and unpleasant. This simple natural remedy is a great solution to alleviate problems associated with the ears, such as buzzing, clogging from excess wax or infections. However, it is believed that it could also be good for improving many other aspects of health. As is well known, garlic has many antibiotic properties, which are wonderful, and can be used for various purposes. You can eat it raw, or wrapped in a piece of bread, then swallow, and thereby avoid the strong smell in your mouth, or also by placing a piece in your ear every night. Garlic can be used in order to reduce painful inflammation of the ear. Just put a garlic clove in the ear, but make sure it is on the surface, that is, you should not go into your ear, then you can go to sleep and leave it all night. The next day, in the morning, the pain will be gone completely. With this wonderful remedy you will see the results in a short time. Garlic is one of the most effective remedies to lower blood pressure. It also slows the heart rate, lightening symptoms such as dizziness, difficulty breathing and the formation of gas in the digestive tract. Specifically, garlic contains the following nutrients: allicin and quercetin, vitamins B6 and C minerals such as potassium, calcium and phosphorus, glutamic acid, aspartic acid, vitamins B1, potassium. When we talk about diseases or infections, whether in the ears or in other parts of our body, many people decide to go to a doctor, or discuss it with another person to know more or less what he can do to be able to fight the pain. But what if you have a vaginal infection and you cannot easily fight it with medication? Well, here is the solution. What you must do is to cross the garlic using the thread, or, if not, to tie it. Then you should put it in the vagina just before bed and leave it there all night. It has been proven that garlic is excellent for eliminating earaches among many others, and in the same way to prevent the growth of some microorganism. I hope this trick to eliminate all vaginal infections at once has been very helpful. Start today and you'll notice the results. In 5 days you will no longer have vaginal infections. Remember to repeat this process every night for at least 5 days in a row.